think it'd be a little heavy for us to lift anyway. It's not terrible. Slide it back a little bit. Yeah, I mean, when we're getting to the point of lifting up here in a second. Okay, we're at that point.
The box looks scary heavy because it's big, but if you can do that, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad. Now let's see how well that top board is nailed in.
1, 2, 3, 4. Lifting the whole truck, Chris. There, I think it's fine.
Even enough.
What can Brian do?
Guide it,
Where am I guiding it?
just so it doesn't hit the truck.
You're going to hit your garage door.
Want me to pull the truck forward?
Oh, very nice.
Just gonna touch the garage door.
Can it go down on its legs? Mike, what's that?
That's close enough to the ground that it won't hurt it.
We've done a good job with diagonal nails.
Yeah. It's pulling a little bit.
Touching.
Right.
Want to stick the other one underneath?
Well, what I gotta do now is figure out how to,
Pivot it?
yeah. So I'll hold it over here, and you're gonna run the engine hoist out of the way after Brian's gonna hold the
So I
side.
can hold it up on my own as long as you're fast.
Can I take it out?
Yep.
No, I can't. Now I can. It's out.
All right, so now this.
You can help with this. I got it.
Okay.
Don't ruin your back either one. Watch your toes.
All right, now we can come down. Nice. Okay, so now we're gonna rotate this in so we can see the garage door. We'll do uncrating on another night. Thank you. Okay. Turns out it will record without a battery. I don't know whether this will make it to YouTube or not, but we got this crate a month ago, and it's got all or almost all the sheet metal we need to put this back together. But we've had an interesting month, so I apologize for not having much to put out here on YouTube, but now we're going to get into uncrating this thing. Thanks for following along. I should say this comes from Trevor's Hammerworks in Ohio. Let's see, Kirtland Hills, Ohio. And Trevor just does some amazing work for reproducing 356 parts. So if you've got a big project like I do, check in with him. I'll put a link in the description. Alexa, stop. This, pretty sure, yeah. This is tough because we've lost the batteries on the GoPros. Or I had aftermarket batteries. They both have swollen up. I'm lucky I didn't get a fire. And then my original battery for this GoPro is not in great shape. So anyway, we're running off a cord. Anyway, this is gonna go. Now it's the other side, but you get the idea. Cool. Both sides there. Nice. That's exciting. This is same piece for the passenger side. This is my inner fender well right back here. Carries through into the engine compartment, which is going to be fun. Same thing, but for driver's side. this is where the master cylinder mounts up. So the pedals are here. So this is the front firewall and a little indentation for the floor panel going to there. Very nice. All right, an important piece. This goes inside. My outer, I think I can save. The inner is pretty beat up. So, this, my inner engine bay. Yeah, what they've done is they've cut holes on the inside of this to bump out damage at some point. So this is all cut up, and then there's some damage over on this side. So that's a nice piece to have.